Good day everyone, welcome to a new video from my channel's Windows 11 series playlist, everything about Windows 11. Today I'm going to teach you how to force Windows 11 to install on an unsupported device. Before we get started, let's go over the concept and what you'll need. You will essentially install Windows 11 via the Windows 10 installation method, which means we will rely on the Windows 10 system requirements to install Windows 11. To do so, you will need an internet connection of course to download both the Windows 10 and Windows 11 image file as well as a USB stick to burn the modified image. Let me just quickly show you the configuration I created specifically for this video. As you can see with me, my GPM is lower, I only have 2GB of RAM and I only have one core in the processor. But believe it or not, we are going to install Windows 11 on this dummy machine. I'm going to leave the download pages for Windows 10 and Windows 11 from Microsoft's official website in the description. Let us begin by downloading the Windows 11 ISO file. Scroll down to the last option and click download button. Following that, you must select the desired language and then click confirm. Now you will see a button to download the Windows 11 ISO file. Now let's go to the second link, which leads to the Windows 10 download page. Now we'll need the Windows 10 installation media option so that it can burn the image to the USB stick for us. Go ahead and click the download tool now button. And yes, we will burn Windows 10 into the USB stick, if you may ask. I will explain that on the way in this video, if you didn't get the idea yet. So now you have the Windows 11 ISO file, and now you will create the Windows 10 into the USB. Let's execute the program that we just downloaded from the Windows 10 Microsoft website. Let's just wait a few seconds, or I might say minutes. It's very important to select the second option, which is create installation media USB flash drive. You will need to choose language and stuff like that. Here you need to choose USB flash drive, and you will need to choose your USB flash drive and make sure that you choose the right one. And after doing these steps, now I'm assuming that you downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file and burned Windows 10 into a USB stick using the Windows Media installation tool. Now navigate to the Windows 11 ISO file by simply double clicking it. The ISO file will be opened in the File Explorer. In the meantime, open your USB stick containing the Windows 10 image. I will open them in front of you so you can understand clearly what I'm gonna do. So as you can see, I have the Windows 11 image and the Windows 10 burned into the USB stick. So what we're gonna do now, let's look at the Windows 11 image. Navigate to sources and you will need to look for a file called install.esd. When you find it, simply copy the file, go back to the USB stick that we have Windows 10 and do the same thing. Go to sources and paste that file here. He will ask you if you want to replace. Yes, of course we will replace the Windows 10 install to the Windows 11 install. I will be back to you right after this copying process finish. So yeah, it's completed. Now let's restart the computer and try if we can install the Windows 11 as normally as we can do in Windows 10 in this same machine. Make sure to choose the USB flash drive in the boot menu. You will see the Windows 10 logo instead of Windows 11 logo, and that's very normal because we are using Windows 10 image in the Windows 11 to take advantage and install Windows 11. We will go through the process of installing Windows as we normally do. But as you can see here, we have the Windows 11 selection and not Windows 10, and that proves that it's a Windows 11 installation. And congratulations guys, this is working very well. And now, using the simple tweak, Windows 11 is ready to be installed. We are now in the disk partition section and you can now install Windows 11 normally. I'm very glad that you stuck around until the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, please take a look at the playlist I made specifically for Windows 11. It was more like check here. See you later.